Filming. Okay, this is the cats playing with the awesome
DeBird round 2.
DeBird toy that we got after watching it previewed on My Cat from Hell.
Is going in circles.
Oh, and yeah, they are just as crazy for it as the cats on TV. It's pretty awesome, but
Monkey, let it go.
Moops gets very possessive. He loves to kill it.
He yells when you take it away. God,
oh,
keep it away from them.
Saoirse's a good catcher. Oh! But they love to play with it. And this is what we like, especially that Moops can have some activity.
Yep. Now he's very proud. Let's see if we can get Oscar walking away pridefully.
Okay.
Oscar. Oscar! Get it!
Oh.
He's trying to figure this out. It's not sharp yet. Hey, baby teeth. Saoirse. Oh. Oh!
Yeah, it's one of them's always got it.
Yeah, and Moops, you have to take it out of his mouth. Because, he's got the string now, and it's like, pull his teeth out. Oops, let it go. Well, let's see if we can get Saoirse going in circles.
Oh, got it.
Oh, she's sitting. She must really like it. Oh, I can get Oscar. Oscar.
Wait, see if he's going to walk away with it. No, he's not going to do that. No, no, because we're filming.
Oh, and you were so proud earlier. Hey, this is only like a 1 pound test line. I can't pick you up with it. He's the most engaged. Our poor couch.
Oh.
Saoirse's the least wanting to go after it.
She wants to do it the lazy way.
Yeah, she expects it to come to her. She's got to get an entitlement.
There he goes.
Very proud.
That's Oscar growling. Because he doesn't want anyone to take it away. Oh, cats. Okay, I'm going to stop this video now. We're going to keep playing with them a little bit. And then do it again later. Give them some exercise. And then we have to hide the toy because they cry when we put it away. And if we don't hide it from them, then they would probably just tear apart the house looking for it.